Hold on to your seats because even though it's only October, we've got some thrilling Galaxy S24 leaks to share with you. Picture this. A sleek and snappy Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is about to hit the scene, and the rumors are buzzing louder than a swarm of bees in a summer garden. The main attractions? Brace yourself for a faster processor and camera upgrades that are bound to blow your mind. But wait, there's a plot twist. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is set to swap its 10x optical zoom camera for a 5x optical zoom one. Shocking, right? Well, don't be too quick to judge because this twist promises to turn things up a notch in the world of video recording. Hold your breath. The Galaxy S24 Ultra might just become a cinephile's dream. With a rumored 200MP primary rear camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom and bigger pixels. It's a whole new ballgame. It might sound like a step down in optical zoom, but with that high-res sensor, we're talking performance that can rival its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And here's the real kicker. You'll seamlessly switch between all these cameras, even while recording 4K 60x videos. Yes, you heard that right. This game changer marks a turning point. No Samsung flagship has ever allowed you to switch between ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto cameras while shooting 4K 60x videos. Until now. It's a mighty upgrade thanks to a more powerful processor and a top-notch telephoto camera. But there's more. Apple just shook the tech world with the iPhone 15 Pro series enabling 4K 60x video recording, and Samsung is stepping up to the plate. The 5x optical zoom might seem like a step back, but when you factor in bigger, high-res sensor, you'll enjoy top-notch quality and even better low-light photos and videos. And guess what? Switching between your beloved cameras will be smoother than ever before. Get ready for a cinematic experience in the palm of your hand. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is gearing up to redefine the way you capture your world, and it's going to be one heck of a ride.